Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I have my Walmart box. Now, this Walmart box feels like there's nothing in it except for one thing. That's all it feels like. I've seen some fantastic boxes, so I'm hoping mine will be there too. This is shrink wrapped, and I did take that off, and it is a little smashed, but not by anybody but this one right here. This one right here did that, sat on it. He likes to sit on any and all boxes. All right, let's open it up. Walmart is a quarterly, it's Walmart Beauty Box. That's how you find it online. It's a quarterly box. It's $6.98. And I got this box for free, and I got my spring box for free because back in the spring, when they went to bill me for that box, as they did to many people, they billed me $698. They billed me for 100 boxes. And that happened to many people, and it caused a lot of havoc to people's bank accounts because it was right at the end of the month, the last day of the month. And it took them a couple of days to get that money back in there. I had used my Walmart credit card, which is like a Visa or a MasterCard or something, so I was fine. But if you had used your debit card, you were in a lot of trouble and overdrawn everything, and yeah. So they did say that they would give us the April and the the spring and the summer boxes for free, and they also gave us a $100 gift certificate to Walmart. And then this summer box, I got charged for this summer box. So I sent there. It's funny because a lot of these companies that send you emails about your items, it says don't respond to this email. At the bottom of that email, it said you could respond to this email. So I did, and I said, wait a second, I wasn't supposed to get charged for this box. So I immediately had a credit. I mean, by the next day, they had credited back the box. But then I didn't know if I was getting the box or not. And then just a couple of days ago, I got an email stating that it was it was on its way. So here it is, smashed and all. Let's look. They have changed the box a little bit. Wouldn't it used to be white? So let's see what's in here. I have seen some phenomenal boxes. This is what mine looks like inside. It does look like somebody stepped on it. Smudge, okay. It says Summer Lovin' and Walmart Beauty Box. They want you to hashtag Walmart Beauty Box. It says, you heard it here first. They have a Beauty Space box. It looks like another one coming up. Mark your calendars. The Beauty Space NK Anniversary Box is coming this fall. I think I got that once or twice, and it wasn't worth it. But what I'm seeing here looks like it's going to be a nice box. I may get it. It's usually like $11.99. Well, I think one of them I didn't get was like $19.99. There was one like maybe $11.98 I got. Anyway, let's move on. The brochure will tell you some things you can get. Some things are not even listed in here. It used to be you'd get everything on the left side, but that's not true anymore. So let's see what I have. And I don't know. I don't know. Well, let's start with this. A lot of people got nails. I didn't need the nails because they gave the long, like, coffin shape. This is Sally Hansen Salon. It says Pro Brush Kit. So that's very nice. It's a nail brush kit. I don't need this. There's it appears to be three nails in there. I mean, three brushes in there. It says there's a glitter brush. I don't know what it says. It's in a little bit of French. Let's see what it says in the brochure. This is full size, $10.30 for this. That's very nice, but I can't use it. Okay. Next up is this cute little thing. Physicians Formula. That looks like a bronzer or something, right? It says Physicians Formula Muru Butter Bronzer. Now it says full size $15.99, but I think that means if you want the full size, it's $15.99. This is not a full size. Does it say the weight of the full size? No. I wouldn't think this is a full size, and I won't use a bronzer, but let's look at it because I think I saw someone open it and it's pretty. I can't remember who. I've seen a couple boxes because some boxes, all right, Smudge, you're gonna get hurt. Stuck his nose right in that razor blade. I don't have my tweezer. Don't ask me where things are. This even has a place to help you open the box, and I still can't do it, y'all. Does everybody, I mean, I don't know. No, people don't have problems like I do opening boxes. And then he's sitting on my arm, which doesn't help. Well, if I can get it out of here, I will show it to you. It's a cute little little compact. I can't get it out. All right, yes, super cute. Love that color. It's super cute. Butter bronzer, it says. So that makes me think that it looks like powder, but maybe it has a little bit of a, you know, it's gonna clean well. It has a cute little like sand pattern to it, like the beach. Very, very cute. Future giveaway item right there. Okay. Let's see what else we got. This is Maybelline Surreal Falsies. So that sounds like a mascara to me. And I don't know, is that a full size? Usually if it's a mascara by Maybelline, it would be in a bubble package, right? This is not on, oh yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Maybelline The Falsies Surreal Extensions Mascara. Full size, $9.99. I don't know if this is a full size. It looks just a little short. It could be. All right, Smudge, what are you doing? I'm going to open it because I'm going to use it. Oh, I love that brush. Look at how big that brush is. See, just by the wand size, I don't think this is full size, which is weird because how much bigger could the full size have been? They couldn't have just thrown in a full size Maybelline. All right, Smudge. Having a little time with the boy. Okay. I have two more items in here. This is CoverGirl Clean Fresh Yummy Gloss. Boy, this is like all makeup. Well, the nails, but yeah, this is this looks like a really nice gloss. I can see through it because the lights are over there, but you probably can't. It may just look like a cherry to you, but it is clear, so it probably won't add much color. And I don't know if this is in here, CoverGirl. I'm looking. No, this is not in here. Oh yeah, it is. I guess that last time. It's called Clean Fresh Yummy Gloss, and shades will vary. The picture they show is a very light pink. This is pretty, but you know, if it adds a little color, it's not going to be much color. But super cute, CoverGirl, you know. And this is $7.98. That definitely is a full size. Definitely is. And then I do have this. Is nice. This is number 7 brand. Let me show it to you, and then I'll read what it says. This says face serum product will vary. Full sizes are $19.99 to $24.98. So $20 to $25 for this, y'all. This is a Restore and Renew Face and Neck Multi-Action Serum. Suitable for sensitive skin. That's very nice. It's probably sealed. It's not sealed. That's odd. But you know, number 7 is a drugstore product line. But it's a higher end of what you find at the drugstore. So $20 to $25 value on that. What did I say this was? $10.99? $7.98. my retention. This was the one that was $10.30. So this is a big box. I don't think this is full size. It doesn't look like a full size product to me. And I don't think necessarily that this is full size. But you know, this would be, being a mascara, this could be, if it's not, you know, $10, say, so maybe this is a $7 item. I mean, look at all, you know, there's a lot of money in this box this time. Thank you so much, Walmart. Good job. This isn't the best box I've seen, but I really like it. I like what I got. Even though I won't use this, you know, one of y'all will like it, the brushes for the nails. I know a few ladies that do nails, so they may like that. And this is, for Walmart, this is bougie, y'all. So thank you, Walmart. That's my Walmart box, y'all. So thanks for stopping by and seeing it. I hope a lot of people got very upset about that $700 charge. Understandably so. Understandably so. And they're freaked out and they didn't want to continue with Walmart Beauty Box. And understandably so. Especially if you use your debit card. I always suggest, no matter what you do online, if you shop online, do not use your debit card because there's less protection with your debit card. Now, anybody I talked to that did use their debit card, their banks worked with them and understood, and you know, they got notification about the Walmart thing. But in the meantime, you're in a panic because you may not have had $700 in your account, and then it was the next day was the first of the month, and your rent or mortgage is due, your car payment, your this, your that, your other, your phone, your electric, you know, and you have no money to pay your bills for a couple of days, so it made you late on everything. So I understand being very mad at them. It didn't affect me that way. I don't want it to happen again, but for now, I'm sticking with Walmart, and I'm using my credit card. That's what I use for protection. So I would suggest, no matter who you buy from, even if it's some big company that's been around a long time, which we know Walmart has, accidents happen, and don't use your debit card online. So that would be my suggestion, and thanks for stopping by to see what I got from Walmart. And I think they did a good job this summer. Thanks, Walmart. Y'all take care and count your blessings.